Hey, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is copywriting and how it can help and increase the exposure if you are selling a product and service. When we discussed the Facebook advertisement in detail, in the very last video, I highlighted the importance of driving the traffic to your landing page. But just driving visitors to your landing page would not work. The landing page needs to have something substantial to grab the interest of your visitors. And that's something substantial can only be achieved through copywriting. What is copywriting? In this video, I'm going to explain the important 4 factors that could be used in the copy on your landing page to create a level of excitement in your viewers. So there are 4 things you need to factor in when you talk about good copywriting. To begin with, it's AIDA, A-I-D-A. The first alphabet, A, means attention. I highlights the importance of creating an interest. D is desire. You got to create a desire in your customer. And the 4th A is action. You got to bring them to an actionable step so that they can end up buy your product and you can close the sales. So AIDA is something very important. And if you look at my screen right now, by the way, the link of this blog post, it's a very comprehensive blog post that explains what is copywriting and how to write an effective marketing and a sales copy that could engage your customers or create an excitement in your viewers. So when you talk about AIDA, attention, interest, desire, and then the action, in this blog post, I have covered the tips for writing magnetic headlines, and I've given examples from different industries. So here's something for your consideration. When you talk about the heading of your copy, it needs to have the following elements. Start headline with numbers. For example, 6 ways to make money on the internet. The second is use how in your heading. For example, how to make money online, because people are looking for answers to their questions. Use of mistakes in headline, common mistakes. For example, 2 mistakes every internet entrepreneur makes and they are costly. Ask a question. For example, do you want to learn digital marketing? Use of punctuation. Use 5 W's in your heading. For example, who, when, what, where, and why. There's 1 H as well in the previous. Third is that, no, it's actually second point, how. So 5 W's and 1 H. The 7th being, always support your copy with a relevant picture. It creates better engagement. If you want to sell something, you got to flip features into benefits. Remember that amazing Apple ad in the 90s where Apple was selling new iPod and they didn't talk about the storage. Instead, Apple highlighted the benefits of buying iPod because users will be able to store 1,000 plus songs, and that feature of storage was far bigger than any CD or cassette could hold. This is how you flip your features into benefit. You talk about weight loss, but you do not talk about how you could look sexy, how you could look good if you lose weight. So copywriting is something you need to focus on your landing page. It needs to be precise. It has to be concise. It needs to grab the corner of someone's eye. It needs to be direct. It needs to have an actionable items. It needs to give them a guarantee. It needs to create a scarcity. For example, limited time offer, 24 hours left. It needs to have a guarantee. Buy one, get one free. If you're not satisfied, 100% money back guarantee. I have explained copywriting in detail, and in the next video, I'm going to talk about the do's and don'ts of copywriting so that you better understand the do's and don'ts, of course. See you in the next video.